Hello everyone, this is Dan from TradeUnity. I am going to show you today how to update your robot to the new version that we just launched. This version is a bit different from the old one because it has one extra file and needs to install one extra library. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do this. So first of all, you'll need to download the new robot, and for that you'll find it at the bottom of our page on the footer to the trading robot settings and simulations page. And once there, over here you can see some info about the robot and you can click download the robot. That will get you to this page where you enter your email, and after you enter your email you click continue and it will get you to it will send you an email. The email that will be sent will look something like this. And here you can say click here to manage your orders, which will bring you to the following page. This is your TradeUnity page where you can see your orders. I meant your TradeUnity page on our payment gateway, and you probably have your copy of VA First Pro here or a bit lower, and you should just press the link that says download TradeUnity First EX4. It will give you a download for a zip file. Make sure to download that zip file. And that is step 1. The second step is installing the new robot version. And this time you will need to install a certain Windows package that is missing from the base Windows package. And that is the first sub-step. So in order to make things easier for you, because you need to access the web from your VPS, just go to the server settings. It's called Server Manager. Just type in Server Manager in the start and you will see this screen. And over here to the right in the second row, you will find the Configure Internet Explorer settings, Enhanced Security Configuration. So I just suggest to you to turn it off for just a minute here, and we'll turn it back on afterwards. Okay, now this will allow you to actually browse the web with the standard Internet Explorer if you need it. Alright, now going back to our folder. I have already moved the folder here on the VPS. You open it and you'll see some installation instructions together with a folder that you didn't have before called libraries and the robot file. Here in the instructions, you get the step-by-step instructions of this video, and at this moment we are here. Require to install the Visual C++ redistribution package. You need to follow this link. Just copy it and put it in your browser. So just paste it over to your address bar and click download. Here they will ask you what to download, and you want to download the 32-bit version. 32-bit is marked with x86. Regardless of your operating system, choose this one, because MT4 is on a 32-bit. It's a 32-bit application. Okay, now it asks you to download it. You need to click here allow once to allow the download pop-up to come. Okay, and now it has downloaded it, and it asks you if you want to run it. Say yes and click agree. You can read the terms and conditions. Install it. Yep, and that's it. Close this and go back to server management and turn back on the internet security. Alright. Okay, so that was the hard part. Now what you need to do is to, because you're updating your robot, you need to first clean the robot from where you are using it. So I opened my MT4 here and I have two charts, both running gold. First step you need to do, you need to save your current inputs. Save. And this is inputs chart 1, and I'm gonna create a folder for it. Inputs for robot, that's fine. So inputs chart 1. Okay, I saved it. Now that I save it, I right click on the chart, expert advisor, remove. And we're gonna do the same thing with the second chart. We're gonna take the inputs, we're gonna save it in the same folder, and we're gonna call it inputs chart 2. So why do you do this? Because if you change the magic numbers, you want the new robot to continue to manage the traits that have been set already. Now remember to go to expert advisors and remove them. Okay, and now open the data folder, file, open data folder, navigate to MQL for experts, find the robot file and delete it, and now go to your new your new version of the robot. Take that version of the robot and place it here. Okay, now you have one more folder, libraries. It contains one library, one DLL library. You need to navigate back to MQL4 and you find the libraries directory. And now, you copy the library from there into this folder. Okay, it's where it should be. Coming back to our MT4, press view and show your navigator, and in the expert advisor, right click and do refresh. Okay, now let's load the new robot. To check, you see here the version is 2.02 or whatever version you're updating to. Remember to allow DLL imports, and for inputs, this is my second chart, I will load the second chart inputs. Oh. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now the robot will resume working with the same orders he had before. We're going to do the same for the chart 1. Again, you can see the robot is now 2.02. Go to inputs. No, first go to common, allow DLL imports, input, load, navigate to your folder, and put the chart 1 inputs. Okay, it looks good to me. Well, I know the settings by heart, but that's the procedure you need to follow. The last thing you need to do is restart your MT4. So just close it. And this was turnkey in my case. And now the status is activated. You can do this with all your MT4s, just the steps prior to the installation of the package. You just need to replace your robots in each MT4 and to restart it after you make the change. That's it. If you have any problems with this installation or update, please just write to us on support or on the support chat group, and we will come back to you as soon as possible. Have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.